The storms are over in Southern California. We still have a few clouds around today, but they'll break to some sunshine. We're going to warm up to 65 degrees. Then tomorrow, with a mild Santa Ana winds blowing through the canyons, 76 degrees on Saturday, 73 on Sunday. No rain in the forecast over the next 7-day period. We have a chance to dry out. As a matter of fact, I'm forecasting no rain until the 1st of February at the earliest. All right, today, Saturday's high 76, 77 on Sunday. What a beautiful day that's going to be in the valley areas as we head to our wonderful weekend. At the beaches today, there'll be a few scattered clouds around. Surf is big, west 4 to 6. We're going to keep that going for the surfers on Saturday. Temperatures even at the beaches will be climbing to 68, 72 degrees. It'll be cooler on Monday with that next front coming through, but there's no rain with that front. Now to the mountain forecast. It's cool today, 48, windy in the passes. And then your weekend for skiing and snowboarding is going to be fantastic. A pair of, there's a 56 and a 57. How lovely is that? And then as we get into Monday, temperatures will be falling in the mountains. No snow in the forecast. Now let's go to the desert. It's windy up there for our friends in the desert. 58, 63, and then a 65 on Sunday. That's it for weather now.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.